If you love Nigerian food, this video is for you. From pantry staples to must-have local ingredients. Today, I'm showing you uncooked Nigerian food items every kitchen needs. Whether you're abroad, new to Nigerian cooking, or just curious, let's get into it. This is the box of the uncooked food I ordered. I live in Italy and I ordered this from Italy as well. So guys, if you are a Nigerian that live in abroad, you know it is almost impossible for us to lay our hands on it. So I have the little crayfish also called Izenofua. Then I have the big crayfish also called Iyenitan in Edo language. Then I have the stash. You know, Bini and Wari people or Delta people, they love stash. Then I have some peeled beans that I will be using for moi moi or for akara. So I bought 4 pack of these peeled beans because I like to make moi moi and akara as well. So the next one is our bala or ejakika fish dried already. Then we also have our beans, brown beans, also called oloriebi beans. If I didn't get the name well, please leave the correct name in the comment section. Thank you. The next one is our stock fish. I like stockfish in my food, especially when I'm making soup. So if you are a lover of stockfish, please let me know in the comment section. So these are the things I got. If you have watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So what is the best ingredient you like among all these items I just unboxed? So guys, leave your comment in the comment section. I want to know. So this is the big crayfish Ijenita that I opened then the stash. So these are the things I got. All this item I got was not up to 200 euro. Instead of me shipping them from Nigeria to this side, I just decided to order it from here. So where do you live? Do you ship things from Nigeria or you buy things from your city or from your country, depending on where you are staying? Is it cheap or expensive? Thank you for watching. See you in my next video and bye.